So I really like using Adobe Express because it helps me create designs that look professional. My name is Meagen Harriman and I help small businesses, content creators, and entrepreneurs grow and scale their business using social media. So I've been using Adobe for myself. I create all of my content with Adobe Express, all of my graphics for my Instagram. When I am planning to do new graphics for my website, different elements there. I created like my desktop on my wallpaper, it's my vision board. The ability to use all of their stock photos was really helpful for that. And for myself, I want to use it for my walls, like my decor and stuff, and just really fun, creative projects. So yes, I use it for my business a lot for, like I said, my graphic posts, but I've been finding it really fun to do my personal stuff. Some features I really enjoy that help me create better content is like their font recommendations is so helpful. The templates, they've been so helpful to get inspiration from. I start there by looking at all the inspiration and seeing, okay, what colors look good together? What placement did they use? Why would I put that there instead of here? Or what size things should be? You also can filter all of the templates by style, which is really, really helpful. Like I know I want to go for a certain look and I can easily find it. So I really like using Adobe Express because it helps me create designs that look professional without being a professional and really being able to do it all in one place. That's why I choose Adobe Express.